What's going on? What is this? What are you doing? Where are you taking me? Are you taking me to show me your flying saucer? Is it really that big? Is it on the roof or is it in the basement? You don't have to put a leash around me. I'll come by myself. Golden Horsey was not made for me. He wasn't enough pig for me. Take it from me, I don't think his pistol is working. He ran out of bullets. He's out of ammunition. I like your hoofs. They're very hoofy. Is that the only color they come in? Or can I get a pair myself? What else are you gonna show me, you little pig?
Whoa, what was that? I thought I heard the sheep off in the distance. Did you hear it too?
Sissy Sheep is gone! He's kidnapped!
What the hell is wrong with you? Did anyone take the sissy sheep with him?
This time, instead of stealing the milk, the human stole the producer of milk itself.
Last time they killed the genius donkey. This time they took the sissy sheep. Our animal generation is in danger of extinction.
Let's go find him. Okay, let's go.
Let's cross the border. Can I come too? Of course you can come. Okay, let's go together.
Come on, hurry up.
Oh, the thorns are picking my feet.
Move on, let's go, hurry up. Let's check here. And there.
Don't go too far. We're getting close to human territory.
I only see high rises. I hate high rises.
What else do you hate?
My God, what a beautiful butterfly.
Yes, indeed.
I'm hungry. Let's catch her and eat her.
You want to eat a butterfly?
Uh-huh.
Hey, Mrs. Butterfly.
Did you call me?
Yes, and if you pick up the phone and tell me if you've seen sissy sheep around.
He's in the hand of destiny now.
Destiny? Should we believe in destiny?
We are all our own destiny.
Before it was Genius Donkey talking philosophical. Now it's the butterfly.
Maybe she's the genius donkey, eh?
Don't go, my dear genius donkey. I really love you. I don't want to eat you.
Come back, genius donkey. You're the only reason for my existence. Who can I bully now?
So long, butterfly.
Oh, my dear. Excuse me, sir. Have you seen Sissy Sheep, who was kidnapped by the pigmaster?
Sissy Sheep?
Yes. He goes, "Maa! Maa!
I think he was passing over there.
Well, thank you.
Thank you, immigration officer. Let's see how your country is.
There's no U-turn.
Excuse me, have you seen the sissy sheep around in this town?
You know what Sissy Sheep says?
No.
I'll tell you what he says. He goes,
Hold it! Hold the bus! Hold on! Hold it! Wait! Hold on a second! Hold the bus! Excuse me, driver. Have you seen sissy sheep around this town?
Oi, no animals on this here bus. Clear off then.
okay, thank you.
Did he just call us animals?
You're human.
How do I know?
Move on! Let's go! Hurry up!
And what language was that? Where is he? Wandering land?
Come on! Hurry up!
We lost?
Let's go this way. I'm sure I smell him around somewhere.
Where is Sissy Sheep?
Come on! Come after me!
How
far do we have to go?
Move on, let's go, hurry up. Come on, hurry up before it gets dark.
Where is he? Sissy Sheep!
Let me ask this guy. He must know something. Let me ask this guy.
I used to live here.
I hope he answers the door.
Excuse me, sir. Have you seen a sissy sheep around?
Are you selling your house by any chance?
And let me get my shovel. Get lost!
Oh,
Thank you.
After me.
Have you seen Sissy Sheep?
Let's borrow a movie.
I see his picture on this video cassette. Maybe he's gone to Hollywood to be in the movies.
How do I know?
Come on, let's gas it up.
We're jaywalking. That's fun.
Again?
Come on, giddy up. Monsieur, je suis sûr que vous avez pas de mouton. No? No. N'est-ce pas? No, he doesn't have
How
them.
much is gas at now per liter?
I'm gonna call 911. Hello, officer.
Can I help you?
We've lost Sissy Sheep. You have to find him.
How does it sound like?
Goes back.
You're coming.
Maybe he has gone to Munich for the World Olympics.
Barcelona, Lisbon.
Yeah.
Maybe he went to Russia for the revolution.
We've lost Sissy Sheep. He looks so nice. And he goes, bah. Maybe you saw him.
Maybe. That's wonderful. Can I shake your hand? Peace with you, my sweetheart. Yum, yum, yum.
Well, how gracious. Bye-bye.
Excuse.
Bye.
I'm just looking for my friend. Geez, you'd think they'd never seen a horse before.
Hello, sir. Have you seen Sissy Sheep?
Have you seen Sissy Sheep? Oh, no. Seems like all of a sudden we're in the metro in Montreal.
No, never.
You guys paid for your ticket? I didn't pay. I never pay.
How do I know?
Hello, sir. Sir.
It's the great Antonio. Hey, he used to pull buses.
Sir, have you seen Sissy Sheep?
No pushing more. Push more.
Hiya. Don't mess with the chicken.
Faster, like crazy. Go fast.
All right, let's go. Gee, nobody gives me their seat. That's a bit rude. Oh, chivalry's dead.
Oh boy.
Thank you. How about you guys? Have you seen our sheep? Every time a horse asks me a question, I say, what? He turns into a pizza.
You need a pizzeria around?
What? 2 for 1 pizza.
So one pizza with people-roni, please.
What's that?
People-roni.
Human meat in it?
Yeah, that's right. For each of us. With soft drink.
Can I have a pepperoni with my meat in it? I'll give you more money.
One for each?
Don't worry about it.
Thank you. Keep the change. I'm a generous chicken.
Thanks a lot. Olive.
You and meat can be delicious.
This is pretty good, eh? Oh, I like it.
Tasty.
I'm so delicious.
Oh, I hate pizza.
My goodness, what's wrong with him? Now he hates everything?
I think he's getting mad cow disease from his own meat. Let's take him to the hospital.
Bravo, I'm going to Spain now.
Let's put this sign right here. I'm sure we're going to find him. We have to.
Stick it on real good. Come on now, let's go.
Oh, this looks like our farm.
Nice place.
Nice fountain.
Nice leg.
Hey, I don't like it when he looks at you. First, Sissy Sheep, now Mr. Bully. The last time I saw Mr. Bully, he was eating pizza. Now he's gone. I hope the next one's not you. Watch it don't disappear. Let's go check out this market. Come on.
Hey, where'd he go? Oh no, we're gonna have to look for him too.